What if your fence generated electricity, your stove ran on tap water, and your property never needed a utility connection again? These aren't future concepts. Every single product in today's video exists right now, and you can buy it today. The off-grid world is moving fast. New technology is hitting the market that most people have never heard of, products that solve real problems, save real money, and make living off the grid more comfortable than most people ever thought possible. In this video, we deep dive into the research, so you don't have to. Today, we're breaking down 11 of the most innovative off-grid products available right now, what they do, how they work, and whether they are actually worth your money. Welcome back to Contain Your Life, the channel where we explore smart, sustainable living for people who want real off-grid solutions and real independence. Before we dive in, if you are already planning your off-grid build or thinking about making that move, I have 3 tools in the description below that will save you hours of work: the off-grid build planning checklist, the downsizing planner, and the moving planner. Whether you are figuring out what to let go of, planning the build itself, or organizing the actual move, these planners walk you through every step. Links are in the description below. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Today, we are covering 11 products across energy, water, cooking, communication, and waste management. Some of these will surprise you. Some will make you wonder why nobody told you about them sooner. Let's start with your property boundary. Most people think of solar panels as something that goes on a roof. But what if your fence was generating electricity every single day? Solar fences are exactly what they sound like, and they are already changing how off-grid builders think about their property lines. Here is how they work. Solar fence panels use bifacial photovoltaic technology, meaning they capture sunlight from both sides of the panel. The front collects direct sunlight, and the rear collects reflected light from the ground. That dual capture increases efficiency by up to 20% compared to standard panels. If your property doesn't have ideal roof space for solar, or you simply want to maximize every square foot of sun exposure, a solar fence turns dead perimeter space into a working power source. Your boundary line stops being a cost and starts generating income. Over a 10-year life cycle, solar fences are 23% cheaper than traditional brick or wood fencing when you factor in energy savings. The average payback period is under 6 years. After that, you are essentially getting free power from your fence line every single day. Solar fence systems are widely available across Europe and increasingly available here in the US through vertical PV panel suppliers. Pricing varies by system size, but expect to invest between $20 and $50 per linear foot install. A great conversation to have with your solar installer. Now, let's talk about something that goes way beyond the fence line. If your property has any kind of flowing water on it, a stream, a creek, even a small river, what I'm about to share with you could change everything. Micro hydro generators are small devices you place directly into a flowing stream on your property. No dam, no major construction, no permits in most areas. Just clean, continuous electricity generated by the natural flow of water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Here is the science. Moving water carries kinetic energy, the energy of motion. The micro hydro generator uses a turbine to capture that kinetic energy and convert it into electricity through electromagnetic induction. The faster the water flows and the more volume it carries, the more power it produces. Unlike solar, which needs sun, and wind, which needs wind, micro hydro runs constantly as long as water is flowing. That means power at night, power on cloudy days, power in dead calm weather. For off-grid living, that kind of reliability is genuinely game-changing. Micro hydro systems typically generate between 5 and 100 kilowatts depending on your water source, with uptime rates of 95 to 98%. A properly sized system can power an entire small home continuously. Installation costs range from $5,000 to $30,000 depending on system size and site conditions. Micro hydro generators are available right now from multiple suppliers, including Natal Energy, Canyon Industries, and PowerPole for smaller systems. If your land has flowing water with enough elevation drop, this could be the most reliable power source you ever install. Now, what if you don't have a stream? What if your property is completely dry? Here is where things get really interesting because the next product pulls your drinking water straight out of thin air. Atmospheric water generators, or AWGs, are devices that extract moisture from the air around you and convert it into clean drinkable water. No well, no plumbing connection, no water delivery, just air going in and clean water coming out. Here's how it works. The device pulls in ambient air and passes it over refrigerated coils. When warm, humid air hits those cold surfaces, moisture condenses exactly like water droplets form on a cold glass on a hot day. That collected water then passes through a multi-stage filtration system before it reaches you. For anyone building off-grid in an area without reliable water access, an AWG removes one of the biggest obstacles entirely. No drilling, no water rights negotiation, no hauling. If there's humidity in the air, and in most of the US, there is plenty, you have a water source. Hydro panels, one of the leading AWG products available right now, produce an average of 2 to 5 liters of water per panel per day using only solar energy to run the system. A standard home installation of 2 panels produces enough drinking water for a small family year-round. Hydro panels are available for purchase in the US right now, starting around $5,000 for a 2-panel system. Other AWG units are available at lower price points for smaller needs. Eastern states' natural humidity actually makes atmospheric water harvesting significantly more productive than drier states. So we've covered power from your fence, power from your stream, and water from your air. But what if you want one single system that handles both power and water together? That is exactly what the next product does. The off-grid box is one of the most clever off-grid solutions. It's a compact shipping container-sized unit that combines a complete solar power system and a water purification system into one integrated package. Power and clean water solved together. Inside the off-grid box, solar panels generate electricity which powers both the home connection and the onboard water purification system. The water system uses a combination of sediment filtration, UV sterilization, and reverse osmosis to turn raw water from any nearby source into clean drinkable water. Most off-grid builders have to source and install their power system and their water system completely separately. Different contractors, different timelines, different budgets. The off-grid box eliminates that complexity entirely. One unit, one installation, 2 critical problems solved simultaneously. Off-grid box systems are available now and have been deployed in over 30 countries, including remote communities across the US. Pricing varies by configuration, but systems start around $15,000. For a remote property without existing infrastructure, this could actually save money compared to running separate systems. Now, let's shift from power and water to something you do every single day: cooking. Because the next 2 products are going to completely change how you think about preparing food off the grid. The GoSun solar oven cooks food using nothing but sunlight. No electricity, no propane, no wood, no fuel costs of any kind. You slide your food into a glass tube surrounded by parabolic reflectors that concentrate sunlight directly onto your meal, and it cooks in minutes. Here's the science. The GoSun uses curved parabolic reflectors to concentrate sunlight onto a borosilicate glass vacuum tube. That vacuum insulation holds heat like a thermos, reaching temperatures of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to bake, boil, fry, and steam a full meal, using only the energy already coming from the sun. Propane dependency is one of the biggest hidden costs of off-grid living. You are either running a line, hauling tanks, or managing a delivery schedule. The GoSun eliminates that entirely on any day with direct sunlight, which across most of the US is the majority of the year. GoSun solar ovens are available right now directly from GoSun's website and on Amazon. The GoSun Sport starts around $249, and the larger GoSun Fusion, which also has a backup electric element, starts around $599. One of the most accessible entry points into solar cooking available today. Now, let's talk about water again, but this time from a completely different angle. Because the next product collects something that literally falls from the sky and turns it into a full household water supply. Solar-powered rainwater harvesting systems collect rainfall from your roof or collection surfaces, store it in tanks, and use solar-powered pumps to filter and pressurize it for full household use. Clean water from rain automatically processed and delivered to every tap in your home. Here's how it works. Rainwater is collected from large surface areas and directed into sealed storage tanks. A solar-powered pump then moves that water through a multi-stage filtration system, sediment filter, carbon filter, and UV sterilization, removing contaminants and delivering clean pressurized water throughout the home. In many rural and off-grid areas, the only water options are expensive well drilling, water delivery, or hauling. A solar rainwater system gives you genuine water independence, using a resource that arrives free on your property multiple times a month in most U.S. climates. Complete solar-powered rainwater harvesting systems are available now from suppliers like Rainbird, Texas Raincatchers, and multiple specialty off-grid suppliers. System costs range from $3,000 for basic setups to $15,000 for whole home pressurized systems. Check your state regulations, as rainwater collection laws vary by location. Now, let's talk about something most people never think about when planning an off-grid build, but should absolutely be on your list. What happens to your organic waste? Because the next product turns that problem into a resource. A biogas digester takes your food scraps, animal waste, and organic material and converts it into two things: cooking gas and fertilizer. You feed waste in one end and get free fuel for your stove and rich compost for your garden out the other. It is one of the most elegant closed-loop systems available for off-grid living. Here's the science. Inside the digester, microorganisms break down organic material in an oxygen-free environment, a process called anaerobic digestion. This produces methane gas, which is captured and piped directly to your stove for cooking. The remaining material is a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer called digestate that goes straight to your garden. On a working off-grid property with animals, a garden, and a kitchen, organic waste is constant. Instead of managing that waste as a problem, a biogas digester converts it into two valuable resources, reducing your cooking fuel costs and eliminating the need to buy fertilizer. Home biogas digesters are available right now. Homey Biogas is one of the leading brands, with systems starting around $500 for the Homey Biogas 2.0, a compact system suited for a family of 4 that produces up to 2 hours of cooking gas daily from kitchen scraps alone. Ships directly to your door. Now, let's look at staying connected when you are truly off the grid. Because one of the most common concerns people raise about remote living is safety and communication. The next product solves that problem in a way most people haven't considered. The Oh Boy Satellite Smartwatch by FutureWave is a wearable device that connects via satellite in locations with zero mobile coverage. No cell towers, no Wi-Fi, no signal bars needed. If you are on a remote property and something goes wrong, this watch can reach emergency services and your contacts from anywhere on Earth. It works by connecting directly to low Earth orbit satellites that pass overhead continuously. Your message or emergency signal bounces off that satellite to a ground station and reaches its destination regardless of where you are. The same basic technology that guides ships and aircraft now on your wrist. For anyone living or building on a remote property, the question of what happens in an emergency is very real. A satellite communication device means that no matter how remote your land is, help is always reachable. That peace of mind has genuine value that is hard to put a price on. The Oh Boy Satellite Smartwatch is available now with pricing starting around $299 for the device, plus a monthly satellite subscription service. For the level of safety and connectivity it provides on a truly remote off-grid property, it is one of the most practical investments on this entire list. Now for something that is going to make a lot of people rethink one of the most basic assumptions about off-grid living. Because the next product eliminates one of the biggest infrastructure challenges entirely, and it does it in a surprisingly elegant way. The Cuddy Composting Toilet by CompoCloset is a completely waterless, odor-free toilet system that requires no plumbing, no septic tank, and no sewer connection. It uses urine diversion technology to keep liquids and solids completely separate, which is exactly what eliminates odor entirely. Here's how it works. Urine is diverted away separately through a built-in channel and disposed of or used as a diluted garden fertilizer. Solids drop into a composting chamber with a built-in electric agitator that mixes in carbon material and accelerates decomposition. An LED indicator tells you exactly when the chamber needs emptying, no guessing. Septic system installation on a remote off-grid property can cost between $10,000 and $30,000, and in some locations isn't even possible due to soil conditions or lot size. The Cuddy eliminates that cost entirely while providing a comfortable, modern bathroom experience with zero compromise. The Cuddy composting toilet is available now directly from Compo Closet, starting at around $895. It fits where standard toilets cannot, mounts flush against any wall, and is designed for full-time use by 2 people. One of the smartest investments for any off-grid build, small home, or she-shed setup. And now, we have arrived at the product I have been most excited to share with you today, because this one genuinely stopped me in my tracks when I first came across it. We have talked about cooking with the sun, but what about cooking with water? The Greenvise hydrogen stove is a plug-and-play cooking system that generates its own fuel on demand from tap water. You add 100 milliliters of water, about a third of a cup, connect it to a standard outlet or your solar system, and it produces hydrogen gas instantly for up to 6 hours of continuous cooking. Here's the science, and it is genuinely fascinating. The stove uses a proton exchange membrane electrolyzer built directly into the unit. That membrane uses electricity to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen goes directly to the burner, producing a clean blue flame. The only byproduct released into your kitchen is water vapor and pure oxygen, which actually improves your indoor air quality. Propane dependency, gas line requirements, fuel delivery schedules. The hydrogen stove eliminates all of it. Pair it with your solar system, and your cooking fuel costs drop to essentially zero. No tanks to refill, no deliveries to schedule, no gas lines to run, just water and sunlight powering your kitchen. The Greenvise single burner unit costs between $1,128 and $1,610, which sounds significant until you calculate what you currently spend on propane or gas over 5 to 10 years. For a fully off-grid kitchen, this is one of the most forward-thinking investments available on the market right now. The Greenvise hydrogen cooking system launched in early 2026 and is available for purchase now. It works with your existing cookware, no special pots or pans required. For anyone serious about true off-grid independence in the kitchen, this is the product that delivers it. 11 products, all available right now, all solving real problems for people who want genuine independence from the grid. From your fence line to your kitchen, the technology to live completely off-grid and live well has never been more accessible or more affordable than it is today. If this kind of content is useful to you, hit that subscribe button and join the Contain Your Life community. Every week, I bring you real research, real products, and real solutions for smart, sustainable living. And don't forget those planners in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.